Hey Grammar 5, good morning. Hope you guys are doing super well. I am hanging in there. I am looking forward to seeing everybody face to face at some point. Um, but here we go. Let's just multiply decimal numbers and have some fun. So guys, hopefully you guys have done your facts practice, your mental math warm up, and you're ready to rock and roll by doing some multiplications. And honestly, guys, this is a really, really easy peasy lesson. I don't know if Saxon is just going easy on you now. I don't know, but it's pretty darn easy. The whole idea is that our decimal system, the way we write our numbers, place value, is all based on tens. And you know that when we multiply by 10 or 100 or 1000, we increase our number, and how we represent that is by adding zeros to the right of our whole number. For example, if you have 34, you have 3 tens, 4 ones. But if you what happened? 34 times 10. There we go. What we're adding is we're adding that extra zero right below, right after the 4, so that our product is 340. We have just shifted everything over to the left by one place value. If I were to multiply 34 times 100, I'm going to be shifting everything over to the left by 2 because my product is going to be 3,400. Notice how we've added there we go, 2 place values or 2 decimals to our whole number. And then in the same way, I'm going to scroll this up a little bit so you can see. I'm going to clear the board. All right. In the same way, if I have a number with a decimal, if I were multiplying 34 hundredths by 10, it's the same idea. Only this time now, 34 hundredths times 10, is 3 and 4 tenths. So we're scooting it over to the right. Clarification, I know, tax ID number, I know that I just said that you move everything to the right, and you do, and I want to just show what that means. Is when we are multiplying by 10, yes, we're adding digits to the right of that whole number. Everything is moving over to the left and growing in size. And if you notice, if you have 0.34, when you move that decimal, when you multiply it by 10 and you get 3 and 4 tenths, what we've done though is we've literally moved 3 over to the right and 4 over to the right. And that's how we have 3 and 4 tenths. Okay, so and it kind of explains it right over here. It says shift digits to the left or shift the decimal point to the right. It results in the exact same outcome. Okay, so let's look at this example. It says the number of places we shift the decimal point is the same as the number of zeros we see in 10 or 100 or 1,000. And that's a really, really great way to remember it. So let's look at this example. We have 1 and 234,000. We're multiplying it by 100. And what we're going to do here is we're going to move that decimal 2 places, because multiplying by 100 is adding 2 spaces or 2 places to our place value, so that our product is 123 and 4 tenths. All right, go ahead guys, do your lesson practice. Make sure this makes sense to me, and if it doesn't, let's talk about it on Thursday. This is it's an important concept, but it's pretty simple. And guys, make sure it gets checked and then move on to that mixed practice. And yeah, so that's that. Looking forward to seeing you guys on Thursday. We're going to be doing investigation 111, which, hold on, let me scroll back so I can tell you, it's on scale drawings. Oh, this is going to be fun. And let me see if there's anything you need. No, there's nothing that you need. Just come. It'll be good to see your faces. Okay, bye guys.